Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a meaningful modern life story. The title of today's story is The Broken Phone. What would you do if your phone suddenly stopped working? Let's find out. Kevin loved his phone. He used it every day. He checked messages, watched videos, and played games. His phone was always in his hand. One morning, Kevin woke up and reached for his phone, but something was wrong. The screen was black. He pressed the button, but nothing happened. "My phone is broken," he said. Kevin felt nervous. How can I live without my phone, he thought. He went to school feeling different. He did not check messages or look at social media. He felt bored. At lunch, Kevin sat alone. Usually, he watched videos, but now he had nothing to do. He looked around. For the first time, he noticed people. Some students were talking, some were laughing, some were playing together. A boy sat near him. "Hey," the boy said, "do you want to join us?" Kevin looked surprised. Okay," he said. They played a simple game. They laughed. Kevin felt happy. After school, Kevin walked home and noticed the sky was beautiful. He noticed the trees. The air felt fresh. That evening, Kevin talked to his parents. They sat together, shared stories, and laughed. The next day, his phone was fixed. The screen worked again. Kevin looked at it, then he put it down and went outside. He met his new friends. Kevin realized something important. Life is bigger than a screen. Now, let's learn some important words from the story. Broken. Broken means not working. Example, Kevin's phone was broken. Screen. A screen is the front part of a phone or computer. Example, the screen was black. Bored. Bored means feeling tired and having nothing to do. Example, Kevin felt bored without his phone. Notice. Notice means to see or realize something. Example, Kevin noticed the people around him. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. Kevin's phone was broken. He felt bored. He looked around. He talked to people. He made new friends. His phone was fixed, but he changed it. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. My phone is broken. I feel bored. Let's play together. Life is beautiful. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Broken Phone. Remember, sometimes losing something can help you find something better. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English.